at this moment right now. So you initially talked about the video. I think video is a pillar right now for you. So do you foresee any other elements that are converting better, or is it shifting towards video? What are your
Yeah, I
opinions?
mean, I think it does depend on the buyer and where they are in the journey and what they're looking for. I mean, video is very compelling. I think if I had to choose just one content type, I probably would pick video, but it's not always the case. Like content can be, I just want to get some information quickly, and a video is actually annoying because I just want, give me the answer, and I just want it in text, and I can consume that much more quickly. Similarly, like, if I'm in a product and I'm working through a product, and I just want to get an answer on how to use something, maybe a video is great because it'll show me which buttons to click on or whatever. But maybe text is better, or maybe an interaction with an agent, a human or AI, would be better because I can get my question answered more quickly. So I think, yeah, video. I really like video. I'm bullish on video. I've had the pleasure of working with just some one in particular incredible video designer, but it just depends. It depends on the customer and how they want to interact with you and your brand.